What is going on, guys? So this is Amal from TechLeatherCraft. In this video, I want to do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S. This is the regular model. This is the retail US model. It is the unlocked 128GB, hopefully anyway. I did open the box just to make sure everything was in there, but I have not opened the actual packaging. I will be actually doing some follow-up videos talking about some must-have accessories for the S10 and or the S10 Plus. So I'll be posting a video kind of following this one. So this is my free pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. It is super nice. It's about $130 value. In theory, if you wanted, or potentially, you could actually end up selling these if you already have some Bluetooth earbuds. The pre-orders for these open up apparently March 8th, but there is some comments and some stuff I read that kind of implied that even though the pre-orders are up, these actually won't ship until the end of March. And we have the S10. Alright, so this is the regular S10. Let's get to unboxing it. Okay, so this is the regular S10. We are going to unbox it, see what comes in the US retail model of the S10. From the looks of it, it looks like it has one piece of tape right there. So we'll just get rid of that. And there it is, guys, the S10, Samsung Galaxy S10. It has some stuff in here, it looks like. So there's your SIM injection tool, and what I'm guessing is in here are things like pamphlets and manuals. And I did order the black model S10. There it is with the 3 cameras. It does look like it does come with a screen protector built in. Let me see if I can get that for you guys. Alright guys, so you may or may not be able to see that. There's actually some adhesive on the edges here. You can kind of see, but ignore that part on the edge. But you can see there's actually a screen protector built in. So that rumor or whatever that was is actually true. There's a screen protector on this. I'm gonna leave the screen protector on, I think, for the moment. I'll probably replace it when it starts to get messed up or whatever. I am curious to see how it will handle cases. I actually have 2 cases for this that I will be doing in the other video when I talk about accessories to have. And so be sure to check it out, and I'll talk about how this screen protector handles that. Let's get into the rest of the box really quick, guys. So in here it looks like we have the USB-C charging cable. And with the black S10, it looks like it comes with a black power adapter and the black cable. So the black S10, black cables. So the black adapter also, it is a USB-C to the regular USB, I think USB-A, whatever they call it. So you can actually plug in like a thumb drive or something, or you can transfer using that SmartThings transfer. I actually prefer not to do that. I prefer to start my phones fresh. And then these are the pair of Akg Headphones. They're in black also. Let's take a look at these. Alright, so these are actually pretty nice cables. You might not be able to make that out. These earbuds feel nice too. They have a little clear sticky on them, a little protective case. And then it looks like they bundled the interchangeable earplugs onto like a little plastic thingy here. So hopefully you can make that out. It's like a braided cable. It does still feel pretty thin, but we'll see how these hold up. These are actually braided on the main section, but they actually went where the split occurs. They're actually just a regular style rubber. And by the remote section too, the remote on it has plus minus, and it's like it has a middle button too, so it's probably a play and pause. Maybe there'll be some long press functionality. And it is a 3.5mm headphone. Alright, let's see if this has any battery life.
let's get started.
Alright guys, we are a go.
Easily by guiding you
It
through
looks
the steps.
awesome compared to my S7 Edge that I'm upgrading from. I'll pull that out just as reference. I actually did a video, the S7 Edge against the S9. I'll link that up too if you guys are interested. For me, I actually decided to return the S9 Plus. I decided to keep the S7 Edge. But for me, the S10 is a significant upgrade. Yeah, so I will be setting this up, guys, and then I will post a video with the top 3 accessories, give or take, that you should have for this setup. So one of the things I recommend is buying a brand new SD card. Now my S7 does have like a 200 gig card in there. It's reading at 183 right now. And I could reuse that. I do like to keep micro SD cards. I like to keep my phones functional. So basically, if something were to happen to the S10, that I could always just switch back to the S7 if I needed to. But what I do is I pull the micro SD card from the S7, and I transfer just the data files, so photos and videos only, documents, into their own new folders on the S10. But before you do that, you need to make sure you format the new card you put in the S10 first. Let it build its file structure and all that junk. It's kind of my recommendation. You guys can do what you want. If you do have any questions about the S10, be sure to post in the comments below. I will try to either answer the question or I'll make a separate video about it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in TechLeatherCraft, EDC, and multi-tool stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. All the links will be in the description. Other than that, thanks for watching. Take care.